Imagine you're driving a car, everything's fine, and suddenly your car shuts off. No warning, no lights, just silence. It's scary, right? Let's find out why it happens and how to fix it. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Cause number 1, faulty fuel pump. If your fuel pump is weak or falling, it might not deliver enough fuel to the engine. Result, your car shuts off, especially at high speeds or under load. Solution, have a mechanic test your fuel pressure. If it's too low, well, it's time to replace the pump. Cause number 2, bad crankshaft position sensor. This sensor tells your engine when to fire and inject fuel. If it goes bad, your engine can stop in the middle of the road without any warning. Solution, get it scanned using an OBD2 tool. If it shows sensor error, then replace it. Cause number 3, empty or contaminated fuel tank. Sounds silly, but sometimes it's just low or dirty fuel. Water or dirt in your fuel can choke your engine. Solution, check the fuel level and fuel quality. If it smells odd or looks dirty, drain and clean the tank. Cause number 4, dead battery or alternator. If your alternator isn't working properly, your battery won't stay charged. When the battery dies, especially in modern cars that run on electronics, the engine can suddenly shut off while driving. Solution, visit a mechanic or battery shop. Get both the battery and alternator tested. If the alternator is weak, just replace it before it leaves you stuck on the road. Cause number 5, faulty ignition switch. If your ignition switch is worn out, it can lose contact while you're driving. Lights flicker, power cuts, and boom, engine off. Solution, if turning your keys restarts the car, it's likely the switch problem. Just go and replace it. Cause number 6, ECU or wiring problems. If your engine control unit, ECU, has a fault or there's a wiring problem, it can suddenly cut off power to the engine. This one's tricky and might need a PRO to check it properly. Solution, scan the ECU for error codes using a diagnostic tool. Also check for loose fuses or relays under the hood. Cause number 7, overheating. When your engine overheats, it might shut down to prevent damage. Watch for rising temperature gauges or steam. Solution, check coolant levels, look for leaks. If the fan's not spinning, it may need replacing. Bonus cause, loose or corroded battery terminals. Sometimes it's something as simple as a loose or dirty battery connection. If the battery loses contact while driving, your whole electrical system can shut down, including the engine. Solution, check the battery terminals. If they're loose, tighten them. If you see white or green buildup, clean it with baking soda and water. So now you know reasons why your car might suddenly shut off while driving. Some fixes are simple, others might need a mechanic. But catching the signs early can save your engine, and maybe even your life. If this helped you, hit that like, subscribe, and comment your car issue below.